Now, this is the motorway equivalent of underfloor heating, and it could solve the bane of the driver's life. Black ice and frozen roads bring traffic to a standstill every year. Now, scientists have come up with a way to melt the problem before it becomes a big one. Here's our transport correspondent, Andrew Winstanley.
Winter has a beauty. It also has another face, a much more dangerous one. 2 years ago, the roads around Essex changed shape and the motorway slowed down. This sort of weather is guaranteed to cause chaos. But now a solution's on the way, just off junction 12 of the M1, an experiment hidden beneath this access road, effectively underfloor heating. These pictures shot by the Highways Agency show the work. Pipes are being laid, they carry water, which heats up when the sun shines on the road's surface. That heat is then channeled deeper underground for use when temperatures fall.
The heat energy is transferred here to the collector surface, where it's collected and taken into the ground in the thermal store. This insulation layer keeps the thermal store warm for the duration until it's required, and it's transferred back to the surface of the road.
What you've got here is 150 square metres of road that's constantly collecting energy from the sun. Now, as well as keeping the surface warm, it provides enough extra energy to heat the homes of 5 families. Now imagine, in this country we've got 250,000 miles of road. You can see the potential.
We're fairly confident that it'll become the standard for heating and cooling in the UK in the next decade.
Overtaking conventional central heating, really?
Well, you only have to look at the current fuel prices to know that we have to find alternative solutions.
So imagine your local roads providing heat for all the local houses, as well as keeping itself ice-free. But in reality, every road won't be dug up. It'll be a targeted plan.
Firstly, if there's a new road construction, we'll be looking at including it in the design for that. And secondly, we can think about inputting it on our maintenance scheme. So when we're doing large maintenance programmes, we'd be thinking of putting this in. But it has to be cost effective.
Cost effective means enough cars using the road and enough local people to buy the extra heat generated. Andrew Winstanley, BBC London News.